Hey everybody, this video we're going to be using an Aroma rice cooker to make what I call an omelet. Somebody else said it's a quiche because I'm not using a frying pan, but I don't know. For ingredients, it's like half a teaspoon of butter, 2 pieces of sharp cheddar cheese, and 4 eggs, salt and pepper, and some sriracha. Sometimes I put jalapenos in these, or if I have leftover onions or bell peppers or anything, you can throw pretty much anything in it. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the rice cooker. Also, look in the link in the video here. I'll put a link to this particular rice cooker, but I think any of these simple ones will actually work. So need to actually the eggs beaten here. Already got 4 of them cracked, and just use a fork. It's real simple prep time. Only a minute or so. And then just salt and pepper to taste. Alright, and then from there, just pour it into the rice cooker. Very simple. And then for the cheese here, just basically just place the cheese on top. Shredded cheese works better actually, but I don't have any, and I'm in a hurry here, so I'm not going to be shredding any. It's just a real quick, I guess, source of protein. So now we got it all loaded up. I'm going to go ahead and push the button on the rice cooker here. The cook time's 20 minutes. The button's going to pop up way before 20 minutes, but just let it go for 20 minutes, and it'll be fine here. So we'll do that, and we'll check back here in 20 minutes. A set timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, stop timer. Alright, so there's our 20 minutes is up here. So go ahead and unplug the rice cooker so it turns off. And we'll see if we can get this plated here. So the butter melts, kind of spreads around it and helps it not stick. And this thing is hot, so you want to be careful with it. Alright, and that's what we're left with here, with cheese nice and melted. Our salt and pepper here. And then I like, if I don't have any jalapenos or anything spicy in it, I like to put some sriracha. I'll cut it open here to show you what it looks like on the inside here. Alright, and so that's what we have here. So I don't know if it's a quiche or an omelet or whatever it is, but the whole thing takes about 22 minutes to prepare and cook, and really fills you up. So it's a nice cheap source of protein. And I said the link to the rice cooker will be in the description, but I think there's probably tons of cheap rice cookers that'll work. And you guys have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments. And that'll do it for this video. We will talk to everybody later.